Hello, student. Welcome to my channel, A Journey of Exploring Education. Today, you will see the presentation of Miss Rutuja Shete on hospital services. So, let's see the presentation.
My name is Rutuja Shetty. I am currently studying in BBA second year. Today I am going to talk about Apple Saraswati Multispecialist Hospital.
Apple Saraswati Multispecialty Hospitals. Apple has started its first unit with one ultrasound machine in rented premises at Bhavani Mandap, Kolhapur. In the year 1994, the company has shown significant growth within a few years. In the year 1997, the company has expanded its activities by starting center is on premises at Shaupuri, Kolhapur, where all kinds of diagnosis services with latest technology are available. In year 2002, the company has introduced first state of the art 1.5 T volt body MRI machine in the entire Kolhapur district. In the year 2004, company has started first private digital flat panel cath lab and choreothoracic surgery center. In the year 2006, company has introduced first state of the art 74 silence cardiac and while whole body CT scanner. Running of high end technology are really difficult because of low paying capacity of the masses. Compared to the other metro cities, Apple provides same technology at the very low rate. The company always offers high cost technology without diverting the burden to the people, and his social approaches always attracts people to our center. After achieving the leadership in the diagnostic center, company has decided to start its multi-specialty hospital in the region. In the year 2011, with the preparations of getting the ready-made infrastructures as well as goodwill, Apple has taken over Saraswati Hospitals, the proprietary concern owned by Dr. Ashok and Bhupali. Accordingly, in the year 2012, company has started its own 200-bedded multi-specialty unit at Kadamwadi, Kolhapur. The hospital is set up in 5.5 acre land and it is a story building with built up area like 50,000 square foot. The hospital will fulfill the urgent needs of various medical facility under one roof for patient with critical illness. Hospital has started various departments like internal medicines, critical care, interventionals and clinical cardiology, cardiothoracic surgery, general surgery, nephrology, orthopedic surgery, obstetrics, gynecology, pediatrics, laparoscopic surgery. Urology will be started shortly. With the company has also started its own pharmacy shop in multi-specialty hospital. In the year 2017, company has acquired state-of-art 3D MRI machine with 28 channel for the RS 8.5 CR by replacing the existing 1.5 T MRI machine in Kolhapur region. The technology of the quality is only available with Apple Hospital. In the year 2017, another major achievement of the company in in, in functioning of oncology project costing near about 25 cr. The liner oscillators e.g. True Beam STX acquired by Apple is the only machine of its kind in the entire regions. It will be enable to its kind in the entire regions. It will enable to perform new treatments like CRS and CBRT. The technology contained the in these liner accelerators will be definitely beneficial to the cancer patient for providing accurate and precise radiation therapy with very less side effects. The company reiterates commitment to bring new technology and add new specialties for which will constantly monitor technological innovation and medical advance to keep abreast and latest development in the global health amenities. ATM facility, STD facility, 24 hours open. Services, cardiac CT scan and MRI, diagnostic ultrasound, diagnostic and pathology, magnetic resonance imaging, ultrasound and ultrography, urology, cardiology, consultations, heart conditions, general pediatrics, preventive medicines, chest pain treatment, viral fever treatment, immunization, vaccinations, treatment for obstetric problems, treatment for neurological conditions, X-ray services, abdominal ultrasound, test for heart attack, ultrasonography, pelvic, digital ultrasound services, CT scan, neurology, nephrology, child specialist, ambulance services, clinical cardiology, bone tumor treatment, pediatric healthcare, dengue fever treatment, treatment for bone fracture, treatment for diseases in pregnancy. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.